Welcome back to Supercoder Kid, where we make coding fun and easy for kids. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple yet engaging animation using Scratch. In this project, our cat will continuously move across the screen, change the backdrop whenever it touches the edge, and reset its position to start the journey again. We'll be using multiple backdrops to make it even more interesting. Let's get started. First, let's add our sprite to the stage. You can pick a character from the Scratch library or draw your own. I'll use a cat sprite for this example, but feel free to choose your favorite. Now let's code. Start by dragging the "when any key pressed" block onto the workspace. This block means the action will begin as soon as any key is pressed. Next, we're using a repeat forever block. This will make our code inside it loop forever, so the action doesn't stop until we decide it should. Inside the repeat forever block, add the move 10 steps block. This will make our cat sprite continuously move forward as long as the program is running. But remember, since it's a repeat forever block, the cat will keep moving even if it touches the edge or a key is pressed. Now, let's make our animation more dynamic. Inside the repeat forever loop, add an if touching edge block. This block checks if the cat has touched the edge of the screen. If it does, we want the cat to glide smoothly to a new position using the glide 1 seconds to. This makes the cat appear to slide across the screen instead of stopping abruptly. It gives animation a more polished feel. To add even more visual interest, we'll use the next backdrop block right after the glide block. This means that every time the cat touches the edge, it moves to a new spot and the backdrop changes, creating the feeling of a new scene. Make sure to add more than 2 backdrops to your project so that each time the cat reaches the edge, the background shifts to something fresh and fun. This can make your animation look like it's traveling through different scenes or environments. After changing the backdrop, it's important to reset the cat's position so it can move across the screen again from the starting point. To do this, use the Go to X block. This places the cat back at the left side of the stage, right where it started. This way, as soon as the backdrop changes, the cat is ready to move forward again. The repeat forever loop ensures that this process keeps going. Move, reach the edge, glide, change backdrop, reset position, and repeat. Now let's test it out. Press any key and watch the cat continuously move across the screen. When it touches the edge, it glides smoothly to a new spot, changes to the next backdrop, and resets its position to start the journey again. And remember, since it's a repeat forever loop, the animation keeps going until you stop it manually by pressing the stop sign. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Scratch coding tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you want to see more fun projects like this. Happy coding, and see you in the next video. Bye.